Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How do I connect a TCL Roku TV to my device with no remote? Connecting a TCL Roku TV to a device without a remote can be challenging, but there are several workarounds to navigate the lack of a physical remote. Whether you want to connect to Wi-Fi, control the TV, or pair a device like a gaming console or streaming stick, these 10 methods will help you achieve your goal. Each approach leverages physical buttons, smartphone apps, or alternative hardware, ensuring you can use your TV even without the original remote. 1. Use physical buttons on the TV. Most TCL Roku TVs have physical buttons, typically located on the back, bottom, or side, often under the TCL logo. These buttons, power, volume, or multifunction, can be used to turn on the TV and navigate menus. To connect to Wi-Fi, press the multifunction button to access settings and GT, network and GT, wireless, then select your network and enter credentials. This method can be tedious due to limited button functionality, but it's a direct way to establish a connection without a remote. 2. Roku mobile app as a virtual remote. Download the free Roku mobile app, iOS or Android, to control your TCL Roku TV. Ensure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. See other methods to connect to Wi-Fi first if needed. Open the app, tap the Remote tab, and select your TV to use the virtual remote. Navigate to Settings and GT, Network and GT, Wireless to connect to Wi-Fi or pair a device. This method requires the TV to be online but is highly effective for full control. 3. Connect via Ethernet cable. If your TCL Roku TV has an Ethernet port, plug one end of an Ethernet cable into the TV and the other into your router. The TV should automatically connect to the internet without needing a remote. Once connected, use the Roku mobile app to control the TV and pair devices like a streaming stick or console via HDMI inputs. This is a reliable option for stable connectivity. 4. Use a USB keyboard or mouse. TCL Roku TVs often have a USB port that supports peripherals like a wireless keyboard or mouse. Plug in the device, and the TV should recognize it as a navigation tool. Use it to go to Home and GT, Settings and GT, Network and GT, Wireless, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter credentials. A wireless keyboard with a built-in mousepad is ideal for easier navigation, making this a practical remote substitute. 5. Mobile hotspot trick. If the TV was previously connected to a Wi-Fi network, set your phone's hotspot to use the same name, SSID, and password as that network. The TV may automatically connect to the hotspot, allowing you to use the Roku mobile app to control it. Navigate to Settings and GT, Network to switch to your new Wi-Fi network or pair a device. This workaround is clever for bypassing the need for a remote. 6. Infrared, IR, blaster on your phone. Some Android phones, e.g., certain Huawei, Honor, or Xiaomi models, have a built-in IR blaster. Download an IR remote app like Mi Remote or Zaza Remote from the Google Play Store. Ensure the app is compatible with TCL Roku TVs, then use it to navigate to Settings and GT, Network and GT, Wireless to connect to Wi-Fi or select an HDMI input for your device. Check your phone's manual to confirm IR blaster support. 7. Universal Remotem. A universal remote compatible with TCL Roku TVs can replace the original. Program the remote using the provided instructions or TCL's codes, often 5-6 digits. Once paired, use it to access Settings and GT, Network and GT, wireless to connect to Wi-Fi, or switch to an HDMI input for your device. Universal remotes are widely available and don't require an internet connection to set up. 8 HDMI-CEC with gaming consoles. Connect a gaming console like a PlayStation 4/5 or Nintendo Switch to the TV via HDMI. Enable HDMI-CEC in the console settings, e.g., HDMI device link, on PS4 or match power state on Switch. When you turn on the console, the TV powers on and switches to the correct input, bypassing the need for a remote. This is ideal for gaming setups. 9 Voice Assistant Integration. If your TCL Roku TV supports Amazon Alexa or Google Home, use voice commands to control it. First, connect the TV to Wi-Fi using another method, e.g., Ethernet or physical buttons. Then, link the Roku skill in the Alexa app or Google Home app. Say, "Alexa, turn on the TV," or, "Hey Google, switch to HDMI 1" to control the TV or select inputs. This requires prior setup but is hands-free thereafter. 10 Factory reset as a last resort. If the TV is unresponsive or you can't connect to Wi-Fi, perform a factory reset using the physical reset button, often on the back. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds to reset the TV, which may prompt a fresh Wi-Fi setup. Use physical buttons or a USB keyboard to navigate the setup menu. Note that this erases all settings, so use it cautiously. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.